Hello everyone. Welcome in e-learning classes. Children, now in today's video, we will discuss about the third part of the chapter number 8, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So beta, as you all know it already that this chapter was divided into three parts. In part first, we knew what are the main different types of forest. In part 2, we have discussed which are the main vegetations in the world. And now, in this part, we will know what are the main different types of wildlife which are found in different zones. We will discuss about the animals of the tropical region, animals of the temperate regions, animals of the grasslands, animals of the desert region, and animals of the cold regions. Now, firstly, know what is wildlife. Beta, wildlife traditionally refers to undomesticated animals species, but has come to include all organisms that grow or live wild in an area without being introduced by humans. Means वो स्पीसीज या वो एनिमल जो टोटली हमारे नेचर पर डिपेंड होते हैं, जो ह्यूमन बीइंग के थ्रू डोमेस्टिकेटेड नहीं होते हैं, दे आर द वाइल्ड लाइफ एनिमल्स. वेयर दे लिव in deserts, in forest, in rainforest, in plain areas, in grasslands, and in other areas. Beta, there are two types of things which are found in wildlife, that is flora and fauna. So first of all, you should know the difference between flora and fauna. Flora means the vegetation and fauna refers to the wildlife. There is a close and intimate relationship between the vegetation and animal life of any region. Beta, the nature of plants is in an area determined to a large extent an animal's life in that area. When the vegetation is alternate, animals life also change. जब vegetation पे temperature की वजह से फर्क पड़ता है तो animals पे भी फर्क पड़ता है. And a forested area is suitable and natural habitat for animals. But why? Because it provides food and water to the animals, shelter for living, places for breeding and raising their young ones, and space for normal growth and movement. That is why wildlife is important. Beta, within a habitat, all plants and animals are interdependent on each other. ठीक है? And wildlife is changed everywhere. If we think about tropical forest, if we talk about temperate forest, if we talk about desert region, about grassland, about tundra region, so everywhere you will find wildlife, but they are changed from each other just because of the temperature. टेम्परेचर की वजह से ये वाइल्ड लाइफ हर एरिया में चेंज पाए जाते हैं. So now we will know which type of wildlife are found in different areas or in different forests of the world. So first of all, we will know which type of animals are found in tropical region. This is called the tropical rainforest also. Children, in tropical rainforest, different type of wildlife are found. It is said that a single hectare of rainforest can contain up to 1500 species of plants plus 750 species of trees. And you should know it कि हमारे अर्थ पे पाए जाने वाले जितने भी वाइल्ड लाइफ होते हैं उनमें से सबसे ज्यादा वैरायटी ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में पाई जाती है, स्पेशली अमेज़न बेसिन में पाई जाती है. ठीक है? इन ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट जो वाइल्ड लाइफ पाए जाते हैं, मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल दे लिव्स ऑन ट्रीज. वो ट्रीज पर ज्यादातर रहते हैं. दे हैव थिन स्किन, उनकी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा पतली होती है. एंड दीज टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स दे आर लाइक मंकीज, एप्स, स्लॉथ, बैट्स, tree lizard, they are few animals. बेटा ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट जो है इसमें सबसे ज्यादा वैरायटी पाई जाती है. एज यू कैन सी दिस पिक्चर, यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में वैरायटी सबसे ज्यादा पाई जाती है. टर्टल, स्नेक्स, एलिगेटर, crocodiles live in rivers. Apart from it, anaconda, one of world's largest snake, is found in tropical evergreen or tropical rainforest. There are a large type of species found here in tropical rainforest. अलग अलग टाइप की प्रजातियां दिखाई देती हैं, चाहे वो बर्ड्स की हो, इंसेक्ट्स की हो, ठीक है, या आपके जो छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं लाइक आपके फ्रॉग्स हो गए, या डिफरेंट टाइप के बर्ड्स होते हैं, ये भी कलरफुल टाइप के दिखाई देते हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एडिक्वेट वाटर. ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट में क्या होता है, बारिश बहुत ज्यादा होती है, रोज होती है. दैट्स वाई यहाँ पर पाए जाने वाले जितने भी जानवर होते हैं, दे आर हैबिटेट ऑफ इट, इनकी उसको आदत होती है और वो ठंडे एरिया में नहीं रह सकते, वो गर्म एरिया में ही रह सकते हैं. उनकी स्किन बहुत थिन होती है, पतली होती है. दैट्स वाई. Animals of the temperate region. Children, in temperate region there are similar animals which are found in tropical region. But फर्क क्या होता है कि tropical region में नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज ज्यादा होते हैं, जबकि टेम्परेट रीजन में नंबर ऑफ स्पीसीज कम होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द टेम्परेचर. Insects, spiders, slug, frogs, turtles, salamanders are common here. And in North America, birds are like broad-winged hawks. These are few important words which you are seeing here in the screen. Mammals in North America, American temperature, deciduous forest include white-tailed deer here. Different type of animals are found here. Their routine life is mostly affected by seasonal changes. क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया था कि ट्रॉपिकल रीजन में सीजन बहुत ही कम चेंज होता है, ना के बराबर, जबकि टेम्परेट रीजन में सीजन जो है वो लगातार चेंज होता है. तो देयर एनिमल्स आर अफेक्टेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीजन. जिस तरह से सीजन चेंज होता है एनिमल्स पर भी इसका इफेक्ट पड़ता है. The well-known species which are found here, as you can see this picture here. Those animals which are found, these are deer, foxes, wolves, beavers, and some birds like we can say monals are found here. There is a little wildlife इन द मेडिटेरेनियन रीजन. बेटा जो ट्रॉपिकल में आप टेम्परेट में मेडिटेरेनियन रीजन होता है, जो मैंने आपको मेडिटेरेनियन फॉरेस्ट बताए थे, उनमें स्पीसीज बहुत ही कम पाए जाते हैं. एनिमल्स ऑफ द ग्रासलैंड. बेटा बोथ टाइप herbivorous mammals including wild weed, several antelope species, and where they still survive, dinosaur, buffaloes, elephants. These are different type of animals are found here in grasslands. Elephants, bisons, cheetahs, there are a number of species which are found in grasslands. On temperate grasslands you might find prairie dogs. These dogs are well known, and you can find different type of species of dogs also. There can be up to 25 species of large plant eaters. Large plant eaters मतलब जो पूरी तरह से वेजिटेरियन होते हैं, इस टाइप के भी एनिमल्स यहाँ पर बहुत पाए जाते हैं. It is believed that there are at least 80 species of animals that live in the grasslands biomes, and there are over 300 species of birds that either permanently live there or that migrate in and out of the areas. Beta, in grasslands, the animals found in the tropical and temperate grassland are both herbivorous and carnivorous. Main species which are found here, as you can see this picture, they are like zebra, giraffes, deer, elephants, leopards, panthers, hyenas, wild buffaloes, rhinoceros. These are few important animals which are found here in the temperate grasslands. Antelopes, wild asses, wolves, wild dogs, rabbits are found. Now, animals in the desert region. Beta, in desert, it is very much problematic to survive. For in both desert, चाहे वो hot desert हो या cold desert हो. In both desert, it is very much problematic for human being also to survive. But there are a large type of or different type of species which are found. Here we are talking about hot deserts. Sorry. Despite harsh condition, some animals thrive in hot, dry desert climates, and these animals include like foxes, beetles, camels. Camel is mainly found here. Okay. In desert region, the animal in desert have different ways to survive the hot and dry climate. मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर स्मॉल इन साइज. यू शुड नो इट बेटा कि डेजर्ट जो हॉट डेजर्ट होता है ना, इसमें पाए जाने वाले जितने भी एनिमल्स होते हैं या जितने भी इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं, ये बहुत ही छोटे साइज के होते हैं. ठीक है. एक्सपेक्ट द एनिमल्स, जो एनिमल एक्सेप्ट द कैमल, सॉरी, कैमल जो है केवल यही ऐसा है जो साइज में बड़ा होता है. इसके अलावा पाए जाने वाले जितने भी स्पीसीज होते हैं ये साइज में छोटे होते हैं. And the animals like to move in the cool hours of the night. Some of them live in, जैसे यहाँ पर क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऐसा होता है डेजर्ट में कि डेज बहुत ज्यादा वार्म होते हैं और नाइट्स थोड़ी कोल्ड होती हैं. तो दैट इज व्हाई इन दीज एरियाज एनिमल्स लाइक टू मूव एट नाइट. Different type of animals are found here, like we can say thorny devil and camel. Different type of small insects are found here. Camel, rat and snakes are common here. As you can see this picture, these are the pictures of animals which are found in deserts. Like deers are found here, desert tortoise, ठीक है, and rabbits are found here, but that rabbits is jackrabbits, ठीक है, and desert toads are found here. Different type of wolves are found here. So in desert region also different type of species are found. Now beta, at the very last we will discuss about the animals which are found in cold region. Actually in cold region, which is called the tundra region, also animals that live in the cold desert including different type of eagles, bisons, ठीक है, snakes, antelopes, jackrabbits, they are differently found here. In cold region, animals have thick skin or furs to protect themselves from extreme cold. These type of animals are found only in tundra region, which is known as the cold desert. बेटा in this region जो animals पाए जाते हैं इनकी skin मोटी होती है और उस पे fur होते हैं, so that they can protect themselves from cold. Animals living in cold or temperate desert have thick skin to protect them from the cold dry winds, and they often have thick and spiny exoskeleton to prevent loss of water, while their cold blood regulates their body temperature according to the surrounding temperature. Different type of animals are found here. As you can see this picture, you can see कि they have thick skin and they have furs also. उनकी body पे skin तो thick होती है, साथ ही साथ fur भी होते हैं. They are like, you can see this picture also. There are different types of animals like yak are found here, wolves are found here, ठीक है, bears are found here. Bears are common here actually, ठीक है. तो different types of animals are found as you can see this picture. Well children, I hope you all are using this video and my all videos are useful for you. I hope it. ठीक है. आप लोगों के लिए वीडियोस इसलिए बनाई जा रही हैं सो दैट आप इसको यूज करें अपनी स्टडीज के लिए. ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.